Well, hey, garden peeps. So, I've got a little bit of a project here. As you can see, that wall that was on its way down, it came down. So, last week I cut it all up, took it to the dump. Now, what I'm doing, trim this azalea a little bit so I can get underneath it. What I need to do is sit up on here with you. Just started to dig a little bit of a trench here. I need to scoot all the way along, all the way along here, all the way along here. Dig a bit of a trench, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches deep, and then I need to put 3 or 4 inches of gravel, crushed gravel in there, and put my first course of allan block. So what I'll be doing is building the wall from here up to the top of that wall there and filling that in. And that'll give me a nice sized terrace at my Asian pear tree that's right here, because you have to jump down on this in order to pick the tree, and you have to climb up. The other wall back there is gone now as well, so it'll be a nice big terrace for picking apples on, pears on, apple pears, I guess is partly right. So I will keep you in touch, in tune, in check, up to date. There you go. With this one, this is going to be a pretty major project. I have everything in place as far as allan blocks go down in the yard. So we've got some fun to do here. Hopefully I can get it done sooner than later. So we'll talk to you in a bit.